Hey Coulter, I don't know if you can see this or not. I'm on my phone, so I'm trying to record a smaller video so you can check out this track system, because explaining it doesn't do justice. You kind of have to see how it works. So here it is. It's an aluminum track. You can get it in all lengths you want. They custom cut it, or you can buy like standard sizes. I think they sell like a 7-foot piece, a 6-foot piece. I don't know. It's all on the website. Anyway, it's like what, $12 a foot, I think. So whatever that comes out to. 8-foot piece would be about $100, I think, give or take taxes and whatever. But it's paid for itself many times over. Like, I wouldn't go logging without a chainsaw. I wouldn't go making glued tabletops without this. Some people use a joiner, which I don't know if you probably know what a joiner is, but you run the board through up on angle, up on the edge like this, and it's supposed to make a straight glue edge. I don't have one of those. I'm not going to buy one anytime soon. I prefer this method because it works for me. It's cheaper. But it takes all this stuff off, the rounded edge, and gives you a straight edge to start from. So I just kind of, because I don't have any set width that I'm going for, I just kind of gauge it about how much I want to take off. Here I want to take off that little crack, so I clamp it. You don't have to tighten it real tight because it's aluminum. Clamp the board down so it doesn't go flippy floppy. And that's it. The table saw's good in some ways because you can get a straight edge. Think about this, even with the table saw with a board this long, you ever try to guide an 8-foot 2x12 through a table saw? It's not real graceful, at least not for me. So this works out better for me for that. I don't have stock in this, so I have nothing to gain. I'm not trying to do an advertisement. Obviously, it's what works for me. Somebody asked me yesterday if the little round table I made was all made out of one solid piece of wood, and I was like, no, I wish, I'm glad you think that, but I'm glad that you can't tell. Anyway, so then you obviously know the rest. You glue glue the other side that's going to match up to it, butt them together, clamp them. I use those bar clamps, not these, but the heavy duty. These. And clamp them. And I mean, you know all that, but anyway, let it sit overnight. I use biscuits just to help align the top edge to keep it flush, because sometimes the boards, you know, from the store have a little wave to them or whatever. So the biscuits allegedly are not designed to give it strength. So according to the manufacturer, they're not intended for strength as far as the stability of the table. As I had once thought, they're just to help align it when you're putting it together. I think they probably do give it strength, so I don't know how they couldn't. But according to the manufacturer, that's not what they're intended for. They're just for alignment. So you don't have to feel bad for not putting biscuits in them, because I've made, I don't know how many tables without biscuits, just butt, the glue edge, butt joint, glue, this stuff right here, or this stuff, type 2, type 3, I don't care which one is, I don't think either one's better than the other. This one's waterproof, so for like duck decoys and stuff, or whatever. This one says weatherproof, but never had either one of them fail. I've had the wood split before the joint fails. Anyway, I'll stop talking.